Major of Telegram big update. So guys, this video is going to reveal to us the tokenomics of this mining platform. We have been mining on this platform over the couple of months, close to 4 months, if not 4 months. So the awaiting information about the platform has been released. Hi guys, welcome to this video on this channel. Guys, here is a big update on this mining platform, Major of Telegram. Guys, on 28th, an information was released which says October will be season hot. Listing is coming soon. So says that listing of Major of Telegram coming soon. Date has not been given, month has not been given, but says coming soon. Hey Major, the time for change is here. We told you to actively farm your rating, right? We did. It's not too late to start, but here is the list of coming changes. So we've made information about this, we've made a video on this, new changes. But guys, the real information has been given. You can see, guys, the tokenomics of Major of Telegram has been given. 80% of this token is going to the community, 20% for marketing and development. So guys, detail of this particular information was released 19 hours ago on the official Twitter handle of Major of Telegram. So we're going to take a look at this and see one or two things together. What says that? Major token, you have been waiting, and here is it. Our team is thrilled to share the project tokenomics with you. Here it goes. As I've mentioned, or as it has been mentioned, 80% of this token goes to the community and 20% of the token goes to the marketing and development. But guys, the 80% that goes to the community divided into two. 60% goes to the current player. Who are the current player? The miners. You and I are the current players. The important thing here is that no vesting, no locks. So you're going to receive all the token once at listing, and you'll be able to sell your token if you want. And if you want to hold, guys, you can do. You see, guys, 60% to the current player, no locks. 20% out of the 80% goes for the future community, incentive, farming, and new faces. So it tells us that a new faces is coming on this Telegram bot mining platform. That is Major of community. So if you miss this particular one, then don't miss on the next phases, which is going to give you 20% of the total percentage allocated to the community out of the 80%. Now the 80%, the remaining 20% is for marketing and development, allocated for the marketing activities, liquidity, future development, with the major portion subject to 10-month vesting period. So guys, the 20% of the marketing and development is on vesting period. Guys, it's going to take place within 10 months. Now the due date has also been released on this platform, which is the listing day. So the token is not going to be listing on this October. It has been shifted, or it has been ready or confirmed that get ready, November is going to be scorching hot. So with this statement, I think October is going to be the listing date for this mining platform. So that is all the little and important information I want to show you guys about this mining platform, Major of Telegram. If you do enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, kindly subscribe to this channel, tap the notification icon and select all, so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.